my beloved last night. Someday I sat there waiting in that cafe and never guessing that you were fat. That you were near. You were outside looking bold. Oh no. Dear friend, I am so sorry about last night. Last night I was so nasty. Well, he deserved it, but even so, that George is not like this George. This is a new George that I don't know. Somehow it all reminds me of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Oh, right before my eyes, a man that I despise has turned into the man I like. It's almost like a dream, as strange as it may seem. He came to offer me
Okay, didn't that one give you the vibes for ice cream? So, I've got Kaylee Micallef here with me. Kaylee, this song, it's about a pen pal, and then you find out he's not what you really thought he was. And you know how social media works nowadays, right? I think someone out there has been catfished. Has that ever happened to you?
No, not particularly, but I know quite a few people have been catfished.
Who have been? And I guess that sucks, if that happens to you.
No, I can't imagine I want to be in that position.
Imagine you start chatting with this handsome guy or girl, whatever, and you think you're going out with this world next top model, and then you see them in real life and they look completely different to the photo. So that's not something very nice of you guys to do. So if anyone's watching, just show your true colors. I wanted to ask another question, Kaylee. People your age, you're 21, right?
21.
Okay. Normally people your age go for pop, commercial, maybe jazz, but you went for opera. You're a soprano, right?
Yes.
So, were you always on this genre of music?
Not really. I mean, I've always done musical theatre for a long time, since I was very young. Yeah. But as my voice developed, my singing teachers thought it would be better for me to take...
Hone this skill.
Yes, the more classical side of my voice.
But will we ever hear you do a number which is not so classical?
Yes,
Is there
I mean,
a chance
that's
of
the
that?
hope. That's what I'm like training
Great.
for, yeah, I guess.
Okay, so if you guys want to see more of Kaylee, look her up on Facebook or Instagram. You've got Instagram, right?
Yes.
Okay, so look her up, follow, give her a like and a share or whatever. I'm not really good with this tech stuff, but okay.
If you want to subscribe, oh, I know you want to subscribe. Click right here. Right here.
If you want to see more of Musical Mondays, click right here. If you want to know more about the Kettle Club or want to join the Kettle Club community, click right here. And to make your life even easier, you can click on the notification bar down below just to get notified immediately when new content pops up. Oops, sorry. Bye.